Dear students, my name is Prem Kumar K, Assistant Professor of English, Government First Aid College, Chikballapur. I am going to teach for the course BA. Subject is Language English for the semester 4th. Let us discuss the question paper pattern in this session. In this session, I am going to introduce question paper pattern for students. The prose and poetry is for 25 marks and novella is for 15 marks and grammar is for 15 marks and total theory will be 70 marks and internal marks will be 30 marks. Means total the paper will be of 100 marks, that will be divided into 2. Again theory will be 70 marks and internal marks will be 30. So here the 30 marks is again divided into for seminar and attendance and assignment. So seminar and attendance will be 5 marks, that is 10 marks, and the remaining assignment for 10 marks and tests 10 marks. So this is again the internal marks pattern. And in the theory there will be 70 marks, that is again divided into prose and poetry for 25 marks and novella for 15 marks and grammar 15 marks. So in the prose and poetry, let us discuss. In the prose and poetry there are three sections in text. One is section A, that is prose and poetry, and the section B, that is a novella, and the section C, that is grammar. In section A, in the first main, there will be 5 2 marks questions, that will be 10 marks. So 5 into 2 is equal to 10 marks. Actually they will ask 7 questions and you have to answer only 5 questions, that will be each question will be 2 marks. So 5 into 2 is equal to 10 marks. And in the second main, so there will be 4 5 marks questions and you have to answer only for 3, and that will be 15 marks. And in the section B, the first main, so there will be 1 5 marks question, and in the second main there will be 1 10 marks question. So in the novella there will be, in the first main there will be 1 5 marks question, and in the second main there will be 1 10 marks question. In the grammar, the first main, in the first main there will be resume and cover letter. So in resume there will be 5 marks. For resume it will be 5 marks, and for cover letters it will be 5 marks, that will be is equal to 10 marks. So in the resume again it will be divided into, so the to address, from address, date, to address, and salutation, subject and body of the letter, and last yours, thank you, all these will be covered in a resume. And in the cover letter again that will be also divided, and from address, date, to address, and the subject and body of the letter and salutation, so that will be for again 5 marks. So 5 plus 5 is equal to 10 marks. And in the second main, again the second main there will be soft skills, and that is for 5 marks. Okay, soft skills is for 5 marks, and they will ask the questions on these soft skills, and you have to in answer each question in a sentence. And the next one is preparing slides. So in preparing slides means they will give one question, they will give a question on topic, and on the topic you have to prepare main slide and sub slides. So you have to prepare main 5 slides, and so that is how you are going to create the slides. And slides are nothing but there will be rectangular boxes, and you have to write in the question paper in the same way. In the next session I am going to show how the slides will be. And next one is report writing. So in the report writing, so there will be again many main points. So you have to write report writing by using all those main points. They will ask, for example, write a report on your what we call cultural event conducted in your college. Uh, Prepare a report and submit to principal. They will ask you like that, and on that you have to write a report. And next one is interview skills. So in the interview skills, they will ask you to imagine that you are a HR of a company, and you have to prepare a 5 questions on how you are going to conduct interview. So in this interview skills, you have to write down what is interview, and how you have to prepare thoroughly for interview, and what are the points to be remembered while preparing for interview, and how the men have to prepare for interview, and how the women have to prepare for interview. And next, what are the types of interview, that is also what you have to understand. And in the types of interview again, that will be divided face to face interview, and next one is what we call telephonic interview. So you have to understand also that face to face interview means going directly to the interview to the company, and there you have to face the board members directly, and there you have to maintain certain kind of interview etiquettes, that while going you have to greet the board members, and you have to sit without making any sound of the chair. You should not drag the chair, and you should not stare them. You should only maintain the eye contact, and you should have the proper body language, and you should dress neatly. All these etiquettes you have to follow, and you should not speak while the interviewer asks the questions, and all these things you have to maintain. So this is the table means interview etiquettes. And again, what you should not do means after interview you should not leave the chair as it is. Just you have to put the chair without sound, and you have to come very silently after greeting them with a smile, and you have to close the door very softly. You should not close the door abruptly or suddenly by making noise. And you have to you should not speak about interview with other candidates, and you should not disturb them, and you should not scare them or make them afraid about interview, and you should not discuss anything about the results of interview. All these points you have to maintain. These are called interview skills, and you have to right, they will ask only the questions, of course, and you should ask those questions like introduce yourself, where do you stay, what is your education, like that you have to ask. This is about interview skills.